Ayan, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Shout out po sa family De La Peña at saka family Molina. Shout out. Tayo po ay mag-shout out mga idol. Shout out po kay Piana Pash, Malditang Waray Vlog, shout out ma'am. Dennis TV Vlog, shout out po. Olga Emily History, shout out. Onyok Just Fun Vlog, shout out sir. Christine Labrador, shout out. Jamralia, shout out. GB TV 23, shout out po. Leonisa Channel, shout out. Nini My Vlogs, shout out po. Paxit Fishing, shout out. Nox TV, shout out. Mamsi Cat TV, shout out po. Si Manoy at si Manay TV, shout out idol. Risbert Sal, shout out. Kakikay Vlog, shout out. Rini Boy Rosal Mixed Vlog, shout out. Matit Gabarda Vlog, shout out. Beloy Mix Vlog. Mami TV Vlog, shout out. Bilokora Fisherman, shout out. Rowena Castillo, shout out ma'am. MRB Max, shout out. Fishing and Cooking with Lakay, shout out idol. Shari TV, shout out. Kaabian TV, shout out. Lisa Bilamino, shout out. Nori OFW Vlog, shout out po. Glenn Torio Channel, Hemini Vlog, shout out. JG BTube, shout out. Luida, shout out. Maris TV Vlog, shout out po. RJ Indiana Vlogger, shout out. Ernesto Gutlay, shout out. Pobreng OFW Vlog, shout out. Subari Official, shout out po. Kiagos Kato, shout out. Kuta, shout out. Milayski, shout out. Filipino Extreme, shout out po idol. Poselinas Hunters Vlogs, shout out. Tintang Gala Vlog, shout out. Renren Ninja, shout out. Renren Channel, shout out po. Jamlia Channel, shout out po ma'am. Ripoy Hermoino, shout out. Hermoino Fishing. Ate Sally, shout out. Leila Ventura, shout out. Music Tube, shout out po. Moira Sibil, shout out. Jerry Vlog, shout out po. Elgin Sagas, shout out. Inday Names Garden, shout out po. Yam Official Channel, shout out. Sniper ni Elmer, shout out. Rock Solid Passion, shout out po. Canadian Pinay Vlog, shout out. Ricky Oranan, Nel TV, shout out idol, Nel TV. Alex Juan Vlog, shout out. Cacho Alexander, shout out. Resi, Connect TV. Archie Indiana, shout out. Pinoy Vlog. Rosil, shout out. Renren ASMR, shout out. Pings Manuel, shout out. Shout out mga idol. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Shout out po dyan sa San Ildefonso, sa family Vargas at saka lahat po dyan. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. San Ildefonso, shout out po.